Hi, welcome to Vela, a new kind of workplace messaging platform that fosters human connection. Let's get started. After opening the app, you'll be asked to create a new space or join an existing one. A space is where everyone communicates. Let's create a new one. Simply enter a name for the space and invite your team via email. Press Command Enter or click the Create button to continue. With your space all set up, let's go over how Vela works. You may have noticed there's no window buttons. That's because Vela is a floating panel that you open and close via a keyboard shortcut, Command left bracket by default, or in the menu bar by clicking the new door icon and choosing toggle. Everything in Vela happens in a room. Right now, we're in the general room, displayed in the top right of the panel, along with your space name. People in this room are displayed in the members bar below. Once your team has joined you in the space, they'll show up here. To talk to others in the room, press Command right bracket or click the door icon in the top right corner to open your door. While open, you'll be able to hear the conversation going on in the room, as well as receive push notifications. Hold Control Space to talk. Members who have their door open are listed on the left in full color, while those with their door closed are on the right and grayed out. You can close your door by pressing the keyboard shortcut or icon at any time. Next, let's review Threads. This is where all text-based communication happens. Think of Threads like your team's private, secure Reddit community for long-form posts, such as announcements and bug reports, contained within a single room. Vela has no direct messaging, by design, to help create a more natural environment. You can open a thread by selecting it using the arrow keys and pressing Enter, or by clicking on it. Let's go back by pressing Escape, or by clicking the arrow button in the top left corner. You can also search for threads using the command bar. Navigate through the results with the arrow keys or by scrolling. Just about everything in the app can be searched for using the command bar, including actions like creating a new room or opening settings. Let's create a new thread by typing thread and choosing the Create Thread action. Add a title and your message in the Markdown editor. Pressing Command / will open the Markdown commands menu, where you can insert templated Markdown and GIFs. Finally, add a tag to make it easier to find this thread later. Press Command S or click the Create button in the top right corner to post the thread. If you want to change rooms, simply type Join Room in the command bar and select a different room. You can also click the name of your current room. We truly hope that Vela helps foster a more connected remote workforce that respects everyone's attention and ignites just a bit more joy into your day-to-day. You can join the closed beta waitlist at tryvela.com.